All is going well, according to President Trump, as his immigration ban is met with protests across the nation and the world. Mr. Trump's executive order, signed and implemented Friday, put a temporary ban on people coming into the United States from 7 predominantly Muslim countries. It also imposed an indefinite ban on refugees from Syria. Now, amid the backlash, Acting Attorney General Sally Yates, a holdover from the Obama administration, is ordering the Justice Department not to defend the president's executive order in court. Major Garrett reports.
Any comment on the protest, Mr. President?
Backlash to President Trump's order banning visitors from 7 countries was swift. White House Chief Strategist Steve Bannon and Senior Policy Advisor Stephen Miller helped craft the policy.
If nobody's disagreeing with what you're doing, then you're probably not doing anything that really matters in the scheme of things.
The White House said the order was not issued because of any specific threat. It was, however, rushed through the usual protocol. Key congressional committees were kept in the dark. Homeland Security Secretary John Kelly, charged with implementing the order, learned the details as President Trump was signing it. Kelly was aboard a Coast Guard plane at the time. White House Press Secretary Sean Spicer.
Everybody was kept in the loop at the level necessary to make sure that we rolled it out properly. We're not going to wait till we get attacked and figure out how we can make sure it doesn't happen again.
At first, the Department of Homeland Security said the order also applied to green card holders returning to the U.S. But Chief of Staff Reince Priebus reversed that yesterday.
The executive order itself is not placing further burdens on people that hold green cards.
The White House said a pause in immigration and refugee policy is consistent with Mr. Trump's campaign promises.
Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States until our country's representatives can figure out what the hell is going on.
Then Indiana Governor and now Vice President Mike Pence tweeted at the time, calls to ban Muslims from entering the U.S. are offensive and unconstitutional. Today at the State Department, career diplomats circulated a so-called dissent cable. That's a decades-old process of airing policy grievances with political appointees.
I think that they should either get with the program or they can go.
And for the first time, former President Obama weighed in on a Trump White House move, saying through a spokesman he fundamentally disagrees with the notion of discriminating against individuals because of their faith or religion.